Welcome back, savvy savers and crypto connoisseurs. It's your host, Echo, piping through your speakers with another electrifying episode. Today, we're cracking the code on Miniscripts, Bitcoin's brainy building blocks for penny-pinching masterminds. So tighten your seatbelts as we decrypt the secrets of spending smarter and saving pennies in the wondrous world of Bitcoin. No altcoins, just pure, unadulterated BTC chatter. Let's get the digital gold rolling. Hey folks, let's dive into the world of Bitcoin with a twist. We're chatting about Miniscripts today. If that sounds like a fancy tech term, don't worry, I've got you covered. Think of Miniscripts as Bitcoin's very own set of Legos for grown-ups. Yup, it's all about building cool stuff, but with digital transactions instead of plastic bricks. So, what's the big deal about Miniscripts? They're this nifty way to make Bitcoin transactions more flexible and efficient. Basically, Miniscripts help users define the conditions under which Bitcoin can be spent. For instance, do you want your Bitcoin to be spendable only after a certain date? Or maybe you want it to require a digital high five from multiple parties before anyone can spend it. Miniscripts let you set those rules without turning your hair gray. Here's the magic. Miniscripts keep things super streamlined. They use less space on the blockchain, which is basically the digital ledger that keeps track of all the Bitcoin transactions. And guess what? Less space means lower fees when you're sending Bitcoin. Who doesn't love saving a bit of coin, right? But buckle up, because Miniscripts aren't just about saving a few bucks. They unlock a whole playground of possibilities. From setting up smart contracts to making automatic payments when certain conditions are met, Miniscripts are like giving Bitcoin a turbocharged engine for innovation. The potential is huge. We're talking about creating a financial world that's more secure, efficient, and accessible for everyone. And the best part? You don't have to be a coding guru to get in on the action. So, get excited and stay tuned as we watch Bitcoin's Miniscripts revolutionize the way we think about money. And that wraps up today's dive into Bitcoin's ingenious Miniscripts. They're pocket-sized power tools carving out a smarter financial future, one block at a time. If you loved learning about these blockchain building blocks, show your support by smashing that like button and sharing this episode far and wide. Drop us a comment with your thoughts or questions. Every bit of feedback fuels our growth. Remember to subscribe for more crypto wisdom, and as the WBTM voice wisely said, be water, my friends. Stay fluid, stay flexible, and keep riding the waves of innovation alongside me, Echo, your guide through the digital currency currents. Until next time, stay savvy in the world of Satoshi.